In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use your Arctis 9 headset from SteelSeries natively on a PlayStation 5. This connection will be established by using the provided tools. So when you purchase the Arctis 9, it is going to include this wireless receiver. So this is what's going to be used to actually connect it to your PlayStation 5. So grab this transmitter and plug it into the PlayStation 5. This will be done by plugging it into an available USB port. So grab the cable and plug it in. Once the transmitter is plugged directly into the PlayStation 5 by using the USB port on the console, you will now be able to pair up the transmitter with the actual headset. So if you look below it, you will have two toggles, PC and PlayStation. Make sure that this toggle is set to the PlayStation side. Once it is set to PlayStation, you can use the physical connect button to enable pairing mode, so press that button down for a few seconds. Now the transmitter will start looking for the headset to pair with, and if you power on the headset during this process, they should automatically communicate between themselves. This will be done automatically. You don't have to do any sort of manual input after this. Just ensure that it is set to the PlayStation position and press the connect button at the backside of the wireless transmitter. Now, if you go into the settings, access the sound category, audio output, you will be able to find your Arctis 9 under the output device for your PlayStation 5. There's no secret to this. It is compatible natively, so as long as you use the transmitter in the PlayStation position, you plug it into your PlayStation 5, and you press the connect button while the headset is in pairing mode, they will connect themselves. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.